Tam came up my house the other night. He said, Big Gina's doing my heathen way of shite. I said, I'll help you, pal, there's a way to make it right. There must be 50 ways to leave your lover. I said, it's really no my habit to intrude, but she's an ugly bitch and you're a cool wee dude. Why you married her, I never understood. There must be 50 ways to leave your lover. 50 ways to leave your lover. Just hang round the back, man. Hit her with your pan, Danny. Give her the Lester kiss, Big Chris. Just get yourself free. Door under the whiskers. You don't need to discuss that much. Just drown her in the sea. Get yourself free. I said, it grieves me, Tam, to see you in this pain. I just wish I could see your cheeky wee smile again. He said, I appreciate that, and would you please explain about the 50 ways? I said, why don't we both just sleep on it tonight? Tam said, I'm no gay, pal, and he went 10 shades of white. Then I kissed him, and he realised I probably was right. There must be 50 ways to leave your lover. Just hide her in the back, Mac. Hit her with your pan, Dan. Give a Glasgow kiss, Big Chris. Just get yourself free. So under the whiskers, you don't need to discuss much. Head round her in the sea. Just get yourself free. Just hide her in the back, Mac. Hit her with that pan, Dan. Give her Glasgow kiss, Big Chris. Just get yourself free. Throw her under the whiskers.